Hello all, in this video I'm going to solve question number 30 from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/2/3. Question 30 says two different dice are thrown together. Find the probability that the numbers obtained have an even sum and an even product. Here, two dice are thrown together. That means the number of possible outcomes is equal to 6 square, which is 36. Suppose the first die shows up 1 and the second die also shows up 1. Now the sum of these two is 2, which is even. It could be 1 in the first and 3 in the second die. 1 and 5, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 6, 5 comma 1, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 5, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 6. So these are the favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes is equal to 18. So the probability of getting an even sum is 18 upon 36, which is nothing but 1 upon 2. The second one is we have to figure out the probability of getting an even product. Suppose if the first die throws 1, the second should be 2. So now 1 into 2 gives 2, which is even. Same way we have to look out for numbers which gives us even product. 1 comma 4, 1 comma 6, and with even number, if we multiply any number we will get even number. So 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 6. Next one is with 4, 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. So the number of favorable outcomes is 27. The probability of getting even product is 27 upon 36, which is 3 upon 4. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.